Good day, students. Today's lecture is from Bio 101 General Biology 1. And the topic we are going to be treating today is elements of ecology and types of habitat. My name is Dr. Francis Ibadin of the Department of Biological Sciences, Mountain Top University. First, let's go into elements of ecology. What is ecology? It is a scientific study of relationship between organisms, between one organism and the other, and between such organisms and their environment. What it means is that when we study relationship between two organisms, we are studying ecology. When we study relationship between organisms and the environment, we are equally studying the field of ecology. Ecology is studied at different levels, from a simpler to a more complex, semi-complex level. The simplest level in the study of ecology is the level of the species. These are organisms that are morphologically and genetically similar, and they occupy the same ecological niche and can breed in nature to produce fertile organisms. What it means is that if you carry one organism and another one in the lab and you are able to induce them to mate, you could induce them to mate in the lab quite alright, or under certain varied conditions. But if their offspring is not fertile, then ab initio, those two organisms are not of the same species. So for them to be of the same species, when they come together, they must produce organisms or offspring that are equally fertile. After species, the next higher level is the level of population. It is a group of organisms of the same species that occupy a specific environment over a specific period of time. When you find two species in a particular environment within a period of time, we call that environment or that group a population. You can have a population of a gamma lizard in Mountain Top University. You can have a population of frogs or of butterfly. But you cannot have the same population of frogs and butterfly mixed together. For them to be a population, they must be of the same species. The other level is the level of community. Community is an assemblage, association of populations of two or more different species occupying the same geographical area over a period of time. For example, the community of fish in MTU. You know, in MTU, for example, we have a pond. We have different kinds of fishes in that pond. You have different species of fish. So when you gather all the different species of fishes in our local pond there, they form the fish community of them. Just like we have different birds in MTU, Mountain Top University. By the time you group all those different birds together, we have a community of birds. Just like you have a community in your own village now. You have albinos, you have white people, you have Negro, you have different people coming together, but they are all human beings. They form the community. You don't have a community of human beings and dogs. No, you only have a community of human beings, but different kind of human beings form the community. Then a larger scale now is the ecosystem. They include the communities of living organisms interacting with the non-living components of the environment. For example, now if you go out to the field, you have trees, you have animals, those ones are living. But you have other things that are not living, like the sand, the rocks, okay? The living components of the environment that have life, the birds, the rats, the frog, the human beings, they are the biotic component of the ecosystem. Biotic, that means they have life. Then the ones that don't have life are the abiotic. Example of the abiotic is the air we breathe. Because for us to survive in any environment, we must breathe air. So the air we breathe is the abiotic component. The light we use to see when we go outside, that causes our plants to grow, is also abiotic component. The ground on which we till to plant our crops, is also abiotic component. Then we now have a larger aggregation again, which is the biome. A biome, in simple terms, is a large region characterized by specific kinds of climate and certain plant and animal communities. For example, now if you go to the savannah, where they shoot these wildlife programs, like in Serengeti in Tanzania, Kenya, and the rest of them, Masai Mara, there's one thing you find in common. You have grassland for hundreds of miles, and the weather is similar. So such large group of ecosystem with the same kind of climate, the same plant and animal vegetation over a large expanse of space is what we call a biome. In a biome, we find the same kind of temperature, rainfall pattern is the same, the plants and animal species we have there are somewhat similar. Then the largest of them all is the biosphere. When we consider all the different biomes, the sum of all the ecosystems established on Earth is what we call the biosphere. In other words, the biosphere is any part of the Earth's crust that has water, has air, and can support life. Like I said, the biosphere is any part of the Earth that can support life. This is just an example, a diagram of what we have just mentioned. Like I mentioned earlier, we have the living part of the ecosystem and the non-living part. This brings us to structure of the ecosystem. Each ecosystem has two major parts. Number one is the biotic component. These are the abiotic component rather. These are the non-living factors or the physical environment prevailing in an ecosystem. They form the abiotic component. They have a strong influence on the structure, distribution, behavior, and interrelationship of water. For example now, water is an abiotic component. The presence of water will determine the kind of animals you find, or the kind of plants you find in a particular environment. Temperature is an abiotic component. The kind of temperature you have in a particular place, the kind of animals you have. For example, when you have ice or snow, you cannot find lions there. You find animals like polar bear and the rest of them. And in places where you have in temperate region, called the hot or humid temperature, you cannot have polar bear. You can have animals like deer, lion, and cheetah. So, in as much as the biotic components are important, the abiotic components actually determine the distribution of the biotic components. Like we said, the second part is the abiotic component. These are the living organisms, including plants, animals, and the microorganisms we have. They are present in an ecosystem in any proportion. You can find, in some ecosystems, you can find more plants than animals, which is basic. You find fungi, bacteria, some of the biotic components we can see. So we can also with our naked eye, like the trees, we can see the flies, the butterfly, the larger ones we can see, but there are some that are of micro size that we cannot see except through the microscope. But they are all still members of the abiotic community or components. So like I said, this is just an example of what we'll be saying. Before we end this class, let's just run through what we call ecological factors. These, in an ecosystem, a living organism is influenced by a number of factors or forces. For example, now as we are in this class, you realize that the air conditioners are on. So, because of the temperature is favorable, that's how we can hold this class. For example, now, if the air conditioners were to be off, after an hour or so, we'll become uncomfortable. So, in that way, the temperature is an ecological or eco factor. These factors may be biotic or abiotic. Biotic in the sense that they are living things, abiotic in that they are not living things like the air we breathe, the light. Biotic in the sense that like bacteria, viruses around us, and other lower animals like the mosquito that transmit malaria, butterfly, and the rest of them. The sum total of all these factors constitutes the environment of an organism. An organism has both living and non-living things around it. The basic non-living things we have around us here, ecofactors, are the air we are breathing, the light we are able to see. Then the living things here are fellow human beings, like we have members in this class, and also the ones we might not be able to see with our naked eye, like the bacteria and viruses around us. In our next class, we'll go in depth to actually study each of these biological factors. So what I want you to do, class, is that between now and the next class, I want you to go outside and actually give me a list of the biotic and abiotic factors you have around you and how each of these factors influence or affect your life. Thank you very much.